you are going to love the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps, HID headlights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.